welding is from Qianli. It has a 6-level output power and support quick charge with the out current of 650 and its recommended nickel phosphate is 0.1 to 0.12 mm nano's on bauxite. It comes with the fixture. This is for iPhone 11 and this is for iPhone 12. It also comes with two welding pad and this one. This is the Welding spot welder. It's Qianli spot welding. It's a plastic box. Turn on the switch. It shows it's a button, shoulder, automatic and manual. Look, it has 6 gears. Now we collect the pan. Prepare the nickel belt. And also fixed with the fixture. And let's check the welding effect. Adjust the gear to 1. I have welded it together. It's difficult to put it in part.